A day after Nick Saban celebrated his record-tying 6th national title, John Gruden is being introduced as the next Raiders head coach with a 10-year, fully guaranteed $100 million contract. Congrats to him. Saban is under contract for the next 8 years and will get paid $65 million without incentives if he stays. Saban is making money comparable to the top head coaches in the NFL, including Pete Carroll and Sean Payton. Stephen A., I know you're a big fan of him. Should he consider a move to the NFL?
I don't think so. He's comfortable in Alabama. He's clearly the elite of the elite, the creme de la creme. And when you think about the NFL, all the headaches that could potentially come with it because of the media, because of the fact that, you don't get to just call your own shots, no matter what an owner tells you in the big business world of the NFL. And more importantly, it's not as thankful as collegiate sports is, because you're not just winning, but you're elevating young men along the way, which is something that's incredibly important to Nick Saban. Now, obviously, you're going to have naysayers from South Beach that are going to point to him quitting after 2 seasons on the job there. And you look at his temperament along with today's NFL players and social media and beyond, I think it could be hazardous. So I would say no, but make no mistake, he deserves every penny he's getting at Alabama, and any NFL team should consider him. But if I'm Nick Saban, I'd stay put.
It would be folly for him to go to the pros, to go to the NFL. And Paul Feinbaum made a very good case of why he should go earlier in this show, but I disagree. I think he should stay put. Look, let's say Nick Saban does go to the NFL and wins a championship eventually. So he is one of the many, coaches who won a championship. I get it, unfinished business. Look what he did at college, and he eventually won a championship in the pros. But unless he replaces Belichick as the best coach in the NFL, it's actually a step down. Saban's legacy at the college level is now the stuff of myth. There is no one close to him. And if he's looking for motivation, I know Paul Feinbaum brought out, look, I don't think the national title thing is really a thing, because Bear Bryant won one of his, ex post facto after then he lost the game and everything, and the way it was handed out back in the day in '73. I understand all that, but the bottom line is Nick Saban just tied the all-time record for championships at the college level, national titles. He is still 2 away from holding the exclusive record at Alabama, because the first one Saban won was at LSU. So he still has 2 more to go just to hold the all-time Alabama record by himself. I think there's still stuff he can do at the college level, and given his age and everything else and what he has to lose in terms of reputation, I would stick right where he is.